Analysis of the ESMA report on trends, risks and vulnerabilities. Comprehensive summary of each chapter. Executive summary. The executive summary details the resilience of markets under ESMA's supervision during the second half of 2024 amidst increasing geopolitical risks and market volatility. Risks remain high due to uncertainties surrounding economic policies and the possibility of drastic market corrections. Risk dashboard. This section outlines the risk levels across different categories, with notable concerns regarding market, operational, and contagion risks. Liquidity, credit, and environmental risks are assessed, indicating stable but high levels of risk across financial markets. Recent TRV risk analysis. In-depth analyses highlight ongoing vulnerabilities within securities markets and the asset management sector. Key issues include an unadjusted real estate market, high exposure to US equities, and insufficient liquidity in certain fund structures. Market environment. An overview of macroeconomic indicators reveals subdued growth prospects for the EU, higher inflation, and diverging monetary policy expectations between the US and the EU, affecting investor sentiment and market stability. Securities markets. This chapter discusses performance trends in equity markets, highlighting the disparity between EU and US indices. The equity market has witnessed flat growth with notable volatility and calls for caution in assessing the sustainability of asset valuations amidst geopolitical tensions. Asset management. Here, the focus shifts to the performance and risks associated with various fund types. Concerns about overexposure to US assets, liquidity mismatches, and the credit quality of high-yield funds raise significant alarm for market participants. Consumers. Consumer sentiment is notably weak as confidence in future market conditions wanes. A rise in complaints related to financial instruments is also observed, pointing towards increased investor vulnerability, especially in high-risk asset classes. Infrastructures and services. The impact of cyber risks on financial stability grows, with operational risks highlighted among financial infrastructures. Settlement failures show a decrease, indicating some resilience despite the backdrop of high volatility. Structural developments. The significance of market-based finance is addressed, detailing sluggish issuance environments, especially in equity markets. Increasing concerns about corporate debt sustainability dominate the discussions, particularly in high-yield markets. Sustainable finance. Recent trends in sustainable finance highlight a slowdown in ESG investments, despite continued green bond issuance. Ongoing uncertainties regarding climate policies are viewed as potential obstacles to the transition toward a more sustainable economy. Financial innovation. The report notes the significant surge in crypto asset markets, driven by market speculation, particularly following US political developments. Regulatory awareness of the speculative nature of these assets is emphasized. Impact analysis. The changes discussed within the report carry several implications for key participants in financial markets. Financial institutions will need to adapt to increased regulatory scrutiny concerning market risks, particularly related to asset valuations and liquidity demands. Financial intermediaries. Intermediaries may face increased liabilities owing to tighter regulations surrounding market integrity and investor protection, necessitating robust practices in managing retail investor participation in volatile markets. MiFID investment firms. These firms should enhance their transparency practices in reporting to ensure compliance with stricter requirements stemming from recent market developments and operational demands arising from changed investor behavior. RegTech organizations. RegTech firms will have opportunities to innovate solutions that facilitate compliance with updated regulatory expectations regarding data security, market monitoring, and reporting frameworks, particularly in light of new regulations like the DORA. If you would like to receive an AI-generated comprehensive summary of the report, please contact Compass Partners.